How to search filters in your Instagram. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can search for your filters in your Instagram. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go into your app store or the play store that you are using, and here you have to go in the search, and from here you have to search for your Instagram. Now once you are in, you just have to click on it and you have to make sure that your Instagram is updated, and after that you just have to open it, and from here you have to click on this plus icon to go into the story. Now how you can search for the filters, you have to swipe it to the right side, and from here you have to search for this browse effects, and from here you have to click on it. Now as you can see that here is all of the effects of the trending, appearance, aesthetic, and if you want to search for anyone specific, you just have to click on this search icon, and from here you are able to search for any filter that you want. So that's how you can search filters in your Instagram. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.